Channel 3 early warning weather.
All right, the cloud cover certainly lingered through much of our afternoon across Connecticut with only late day clearing. If we were to see clearing earlier in the day with more sunshine, that would have led to our atmosphere to be a bit more unstable and for more storms to develop. Right now, we're only tracking a couple of them. One is to the southeast of Albany heading into Pittsfield, Mass. Another one crossing the lower Hudson Valley right now. So that could clip Fairfield County. But as we head towards sunset, a lot of this should tend to diminish in weekends. So some good news there. So we could perhaps see a brief shower or thunderstorm, but otherwise right now in Connecticut we are dry. Our view from Waterbury is showing some of that late day brightening to the sky, 77 in the Brass City. Our view from Middletown also looking a bit hazy as we look upstream of the Connecticut River over the Aragonia Bridge into Portland, and looking good as well from New London right now with even some late day brightening there with a current temperature of 73 degrees. So temperatures, bit of a late day rally with some of that clearing, 75 to 80 across western Connecticut. Current temperatures there a little bit cooler throughout eastern Connecticut. We've had this southerly flow as expected, bringing the humidity back after a nice break from it yesterday. That southerly wind continues until a cold front passes tonight. So that's creating dew point values up into the upper 60s and low 70s. So we have certainly reached back to oppressive levels. Now tomorrow will be hotter than today, but we will trend a little less humid as dew point values drop. More on that in just a moment. The cold front currently off to our northwest. So we do have those isolated storms developing in advance of that. Again, as we head towards sunset, and then later on tonight, the front moves through. Should do so with very little fanfare here in Connecticut. And but along that boundary, we still have from the Storm Prediction Center that outlook. We've been showing you this graphic over the past couple of days, that marginal risk, just that there could be some stronger storms, and that's indeed what we've seen pop up. No warnings yet on those storms off to our west. So overnight tonight, temperatures drop only to the 65 to 70 degree range inland, low 70s at the shoreline. It's going to be warm and muggy. We'll see some patchy fog develop as we head toward daybreak. Then tomorrow morning, dew point values still up near, if not above 70, but notice as the day progresses, we go through the 60s, even into the 50s. So the air dries out a bit as the northwesterly wind filters that drier air into the state. Highs tomorrow afternoon, 85 to 90 inland, a little bit cooler along the shoreline, and that sun is going to be a bit on the hazy side, a bit smoky thanks to the jet stream transporting in some of that smoke from the wildfires out west. Our Tuesday starts off dry, but as we head through the later afternoon and evening hours, there's the chance at least for an isolated shower or storm with another cold front that's going to move through. So that's going to knock down temperatures by midweek. In the meantime, Tuesday could be a degree or two warmer than tomorrow. Back in the low 80s on Wednesday, dry weather. The best chance for widespread rain and thunderstorms will come on Thursday afternoon and evening. That's also when the humidity briefly returns. And then by Friday, mostly sunny, near 80 the upcoming weekend. It may be our first dry weekend, at least as it looks right now, 5-6 days out, since the last weekend of June. 83 Saturday, a couple degrees warmer by Sunday. For shoreline highs this upcoming weekend, low 80s for both days.
All right, thank you, Mark.